Hello, let's talk about 4 tips on changing strings.
Let's take, for example, string D. Ta-da!
Tip number 1. Don't take off all your strings at the same time. It will help you to not remove your bridge and tail piece from the violin. It's just my own recommendation and I feel it more comfortable. Tip number 2. When you will tight your strings while turning pegs, don't overstretch your strings because string might snap, and even sometimes it's very dangerous because it might snap into your eyes or anywhere else. Tip number 3. Keep an eye on your bridge. If it bends, it might break. So if you notice during tightening the strings that your bridge is bent, just remove the tension of your strings and put your bridge straight back. And tip number 4. Remember that usually new strings tend to stretch during the first week. So during that week, you will need to tune your violin frequently. Enjoy your new strings. Have a nice time.
If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.